and for their Happy Meals, they were happy, and I have this product, and it makes me a couple grand a month.
Yeah. Okay, that's what I would do too, but I wasn't sure. So basically, you have somebody else do it that knows what they're doing. Mm-hmm. Doesn't matter what it looks like up front. Is the product.
Exactly.
That's all the questions I have. Thanks.
Okay. So and videos are hot, guys. Videos are really, really hot. How many of you learn better from video than an ebook? Raise your hand if you learn better from a video than an ebook.
6 one on that.
6 one way, half dozen the other.
I really like the videos, but you know, when I buy a product and they say, "Oh yeah, you're getting a 63 video course," it's like, who the hell has time to sit and watch 63 videos on a computer? You know, I don't have time to watch 63 videos. I do have time to watch a couple, and then I can take the book with me and read it in different times. So a combination always works for me.
You guys see what I'm doing right here? Doing a survey monkey. You guys are my survey monkey. So with my video products, I need to be providing transcripts. Got it. There's my back end for 5-day cash machine.
Any kind of a life or any kind of a full-time job, I mean, there's no way you can sit and watch 63 videos on how to do internet marketing. There's just no way.
Is the switch on?
Yeah.
I can add to that is that I agree with her. You know, if you get information overload, and it has to do with your time also that you have set aside for your studies. And if you have a lot of videos, to watch, it can be, pretty difficult to do that. But anyways, to explain, if you have something like a large amount of information that you want to convey to a student, I find that if you could download it to an iPod, and I've done this before, even at work. I mean, I would listen maybe 4-8 hours on my iPod.
At work.
At work, while I'm working.
Yes, the man's paying you to learn internet marketing. That's good stuff. Yeah, I totally get that. And just an FYI for you guys learning, we're getting on a tangent. Diedrich's not in here, so he can't go. Focus. We got free reign now. Daddy's gone. There is a plugin for the Firefox browser that allows you to download any video online to your computer. And then you can put it in any format you want. My iPad is packed full of all kinds of internet marketing videos. I can't remember the name of it. Just search for video. What did I search for? Sterling Valentine told me about it. It's video downloader. Go to the Firefox, the add-ons, and look for video downloader add-on. Okay, guys, we got to get rolling. So we talked about your money as your back end, immediate upsell. Now, what I talked about here with the list, you want to make sure that you load your autoresponder. For all these people that are coming in and buying, they are getting on your autoresponder. Okay? As soon as they buy, they're put on your autoresponder. Is what you need to do. Message 1, message 2, message 3, and just keep going. And everything needs to give them really good information that leads to a sale. Needs to make you money. Everything needs to make you money. Give them great quality information, and just because I'm very cold and not like I am with you guys in the other niches, doesn't mean I still don't care about them. I still want to give them good quality information. I'm just not out to choke them for every penny I can get out of them. I'm still going to give them really cool free stuff. And I'm still going to give them really good content. I don't want to, how do I put it, come across as a slime bag marketer. I think that's the only way to put it. Okay, so making money from a product once you have it. Clickbank.com, as I said, for the internet marketing niche, do not recommend it. People are refund happy. They think they can just get the product for free. You just pretend to pay for it. I think that's the new concept. Pay.com, well, let me go back to ClickBank. Has a huge affiliate sales force. Over 150,000 affiliates, they claim. Does that mean 150,000 affiliates are going to promote your product? God, I wish. Just one time. Just one time. If I could do that, wow. They have the huge affiliate sales force. They're great for niches outside of the internet marketing niche. Pay.com, okay affiliate sales force. They don't pay your affiliates for you. Is what I do is once a month I go in there and download a mass pay file. Actually, I don't. I think my husband does that. He uploads it to the PayPal account, hits the send button, and everybody who promoted gets their stuff. It has the PayPal IPN thing. So like if you refund somebody, it tells pay.com and it takes the commission from the affiliate. You can run membership sites with it. Same thing. If they quit their membership, it tells PayPal, it tells pay.com, and pay.com stops giving your affiliate money. They also have authorize.net now. So for you guys who don't want to use PayPal, they have authorize.net. I don't know how it works. I don't use authorize.net. I use PayPal. That's it. Rapid action profits. Yesterday we talked about 100% commission products and instant payment products, and I showed you guys how I made $10,000 this week while I was here, or traveling to here. And I say it's almost $10,000. It's like $9,200. We're not quite at the 10,000 mark. 100% commission products are instant. We're just going to call these guys instant commission products. Jeff's going to talk at some point this weekend about how he makes products really fast. Basically, it's him sitting down, talking into the microphone, giving really good information. Then he takes it and has the transcripts done to it. These would be awesome as 100% commission products. Are you making any money? No, but guess what you're getting? A list of buyers. That's what you want. So you have your product. Your affiliates are sending traffic. When the traffic comes here and they buy, we'll call this the download page, they're put on your autoresponder. Your affiliate gets the money directly into their PayPal account. You are not involved in the process of paying them at all. At all. They put their PayPal email address into your affiliate program. It generates their little link. They advertise that link. When their people click on it and buy, that payment goes directly to them. They're even responsible for refunds. I have had a couple instances where people would not refund a person, and I just took it out of my own pocket. That buyer's on my list. Better believe I'm going to take care of them. If they spent $47, $17, $27, whatever it is, if I have a buyer on my list, I'm going to totally take care of them. You'll get that every once in a while. Just give them a refund. Contact the person and tell them they're down and dirty too. And tell that affiliate they can never promote for you again. Well, kind of kidding. Okay, so you get the list, the affiliate gets the money, but you're actually the one who wins because you're now going to load your autoresponder with messages and you're going to make money time after time after time after time. I hope you guys understand this because this alone is a business model. This alone is a business model. If you did nothing but create little $10, $20 products, and you put 100% commission, and you didn't even have an upsell, you'd be stupid if you didn't. But if you didn't even have an upsell or a one-time offer, whatever you want to call it, you could live off affiliate commissions from these lists. Do it times 10, and you're making your $5,000 a month. Easy. Super, super, super duper easy. Because the cool thing is if you use the Rapid Action Profits script, rapidactionprofits.com. It's not even my affiliate link. I love it so much, I don't even want my affiliate commission for it because it's made me so much money in other ways. If you get this and set up your 100% commission product, you can use the Rapid Action Profits directory, rapmall.com. rapmall.com is a directory. You can go there and search for all kinds of instant commission products, paying 100% commission, 50% commission, all kinds of different commissions. Which one? RAPMALL, Rap Mall, like the shopping mall. And you can go there and you can search for all these different products. But it's what you want to do, if you want to be on the real money side of this, is create your own 100% commission products. Let me tell you a way to really get people to go nuts and love you. Have an upsell and also give 100% commission here and 100% commission here. You're getting a buyer. And you don't even have to pay for it. You're not even paying the PayPal fees because that payment's going straight into their PayPal account. You're not out a single penny, except for what it took to create the product. What, $50 in graphics? Maybe a couple $100 to Scriptlance, Elance, Guru.com for a huge list of buyers. You're going to get tons of people to promote something like this. If you do something like this, let me know. I'll take a look at it. If it's a good product, I'll promote it. And that's my challenge to you guys. If you create something in a niche that I'm in, my guarantee to you, everyone in here, is if it's a good product, I'll promote it for you. And I can rack up the sales for you, especially in the internet marketing niche. But if you guys will actually do something, that's the main problem with this. What I'm telling you guys is all proven stuff that works. But if you don't use it, you're never going to make any money. I have coaching clients who pay me $497 a month that I don't hear from. Not even, I'll send them an email. Are you alive? Should I stop the PayPal payments? Yeah. I don't even know if these people are alive. It's like they just want to buy the dream. Just give me the dream because it makes me feel warm and fuzzy inside. If that's all you want, then you better buy something other than internet marketing products to get the warm, fuzzy feeling product. Make sure you're taking action. Create the 100% commission product. Throw it in the Wrap Mall directory. Do you have a question?
Yeah, if that's your business model, come up with these 100% commission.
Oh, I'm sorry. Wait a minute. I keep forgetting about the mic. Here we go.
Here you go. So if that's your business model to come up with these 100% commission products, the place you're going to advertise those products is the Wrap Mall directory, and that's the only one you recommend?
Yeah, but you're also going to go out and get affiliates. You're going to contact people. You're going to go and search Google, searchpay.com, and ClickBank for product owners. Go to those product owners and say, hey, can you throw my 100% instant commission product in your back end? And then you get their buying customers too.
And when you said you'd be willing to promote one of ours if it was one of your niches, obviously you're in 22 niches, you probably don't want to tell us your niches. How would we know?
Email me and say, hey, I'm in this niche. You guys can trust me. I'm not going to steal your niche. I don't have time to steal your niche. I got enough profitable niches up here to last me and my kids for a lifetime. So just email, hey, this is the niche I'm in. Can you help me out? If I'm in that niche, of course I will. So mapping this out. First thing you got to do is get it out all on paper. I highly recommend you guys use pen and paper. You can take it from pen and paper to flow charts with the mind mapping software and all that crazy voodoo stuff. I don't care what you do with it. Make sure you get it on paper, just like I've done here. Brainstorm everything out. List of topics. Who's going to create the product? Or what kind of product? Who's going to create the product? I have this product now. What is my back end? Now that I have my product and I have a back end, what's my affiliate strategy? And that's what I've explained to you here. Any quick questions? All right, guys. Then let's go ahead and break for lunch. See you guys back in an hour and 15. No problem.